Hello, it's John from Planet Primary here. Okay, I'm going to talk you through this quite an exciting resource, this one. So you pop this file here onto your smartboard and then you choose the answer. So it starts actually like this with you can see the colour background on the numbers, and you're going to choose, this is a one-digit number, any one you like. So let's click on 8. Okay, so now you can see the buttons have changed, and there is no way of getting back to the beginning without reloading the file. So I'll just reload it. I'm going to choose 5 this time. Okay, so now the buttons are ready for whoever to come along, and you can use this as an answer to a question. You can have a puzzle game, anything you like. There's so many different ways to use a resource, but basically from now on you've chosen the number 5. No one else knows what you've chosen. Bother it. It's not 8, it's not 1, it's not 7. You're just going to get that big buzzy sound feedback until you click on 5. Then you're going to get clapping. It just carries on forever like that. You could leave it there all day. You could ask your class to think of 100 different ways to solve a problem where the answer is 5. So there's loads of different ways. I've also got a 2-digit version. Again, it starts with the sort of darker numbers. Let's put in 12. Okay, 12's been inputted. What's the answer? Is it 98? No. Is it 12? Yes, it's 12. Hooray! Again, as normal, you can click on the body of the alien if you want to display a spacesuit, just to talk about, or just for fun. And there's a black version of the number 2 with a black background. And what have we got here? It's a 3-digit number version. And if you look on the alien's forehead, there's a dot. That tells you you're putting in the first number. Let's put in 452. Okay, everybody, my number is hidden now. So it's bigger than 450 and it's less than 455. What could it be? Could it be 454? No. Could it be 453? What could it be? Was it 876 maybe? Definitely not. Let's try again. What was it? Oh dear me, now what was the number? Must be somewhere. Keep going until you get the answer. Now I've forgotten what it was. Can you remember? Have a play. Great resource. Stick it on your smartboard. You can use it for hundreds of different lessons and all sorts of problem solving, and grab the attention of your class. And there's all sorts more of other resources like this on Planet Primary. Okay, have fun.